Hey there, my name is Julian. I'm the founder of NoteForms, and if you're watching this video, it means that you haven't connected your Notion workspace yet. So I'll show you how to do so in a few seconds. The first thing to do is simply to log in into your NoteForms account. You can then click the Create Form button, and you will then be prompted to connect your Notion workspace. Just click on the Login with Notion button. You will then see this screen where Notion asks if you want to share your Notion workspace with our Notion integration. Simply click Select Pages, and then select the pages that you want to use with NoteForms. So that includes every database or every pages where you would like to store form submissions. To keep it simple, you can also select the whole Notion workspace. Once that's done, click Allow Access. And it's done. You connected your Notion workspace. Now, let's quickly look together how to create your first form. To keep it simple, we're going to start from scratch. We won't be starting from an existing Notion database, but NoteForms will create one for you. So click Start from Scratch, click Continue, and then to save some time, I'll give a description to NoteForms about the form that I want to do. So in my case, I will go with a design and query form. And I can simply click on Generate Form. And within a few seconds, the AI will create a draft for my form, and it will save me some time designing the form. This usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Great, it's done. So as you can see, we have a full form ready for design and queries with the name, email, phone, information about the requested service. We even have a second page, prompting for urgency and budget. It even includes a CAPTCHA to ensure you don't have any bot submission on your form. So it looks all great to me. I don't feel like changing anything is necessary, so I'll just go and publish the form. The last thing to do is to decide where I want to put the form submissions within my Notion workspace. So I can just open this and select a page. So I will pick, for instance, knowledge faults, and I will click Save Your Form. Great, it's done. The form is created. Let's test it. So let's fill the form. I will also attach an image for my inquiry. And then I can click Next. My budget, let's say, is $100. And it's pretty urgent, but not that urgent. I'll just make sure I'm not a robot, and I can click Submit. Great, it worked. Since I'm logged in and I'm the phone owner, I have a confirmation that, the form works. And it prompts me to look how I can share the form. So you can just copy the link and share it. You can embed it on your website. You can embed it in Notion. But for now, we just want to look at the submission. So we can click this button here. And as you can see, NoteForms created a database within my Notion workspace to receive all of the form submissions for this form. And as you can already see, all of the information I just filled is here available. I can even open the image. That's it. You now have a working account with NoteForms, and you can create very powerful forms. NoteForms has plenty of features to offer, from custom domain, custom design, custom codes. You can set up plenty of integrations to, for instance, email your form respondents, or just to email your own internal team whenever you receive a new submission. You can add some logic to decide whether a form field should be displayed or not based on the value of another one. There are plenty of things you can do. Please contact us via the live chat on the website if you need any help. That's it. Have a good day.